Hi guys, today I'm doing a room tour. Today, this is going to be kind of weird because, yeah, I don't know why, but I think it's going to be a bit weird. Here is some posters that me and my friend did. Well, this one is not a poster, it is like my calendar. And then here is some more posters. And then I got these stickers. How cute them with my little strawberries on. Aww. You can see the strawberries. Let me show them. So let's see if you can see strawberries. Because if you know, I'm in love with strawberries. Now, these are some of my favorite costumes, of course. I know that's special, but I just love them. So we'll start with my closet this time, okay? So yeah, I need to shut these doors so you can see them. Oh, here is like one bit of a closet. You can see that. And then this is the other bit. And you can see. Here you can see me filming. Okay, if I could stand back, maybe it's a little bit better. So yeah, then that's it. And then here is another closet. So yeah, let's jump right in to the closet. I need to put them down so I can do that. Oh, good. Yeah. So yeah, let's show you what's on top of this cupboard thingy. Okay. So on here, on top of that is just some random stuff. Then some of my clothes, some old clothes too. And then down here are some studies. Yeah, I think it's kind of cute. Oh yeah. Let's see you next time. Oh, and something really cool. Do you know, if I get in here and shut these little doors, guess what will happen? I've done this a lot of times. So, don't think I'm going to be locked out. No, I'm not going to be locked out. I'm just in here. This is sometimes where I go when I'm eating or something. But anyway, now we'll go out. So that's first question. If you didn't see that, never mind. It's for the expo. I'll have to move it up slightly and move it back up. I need to show this bit here. So on here is some like more clothes. And my suitcase, my old suitcase, and some quilts and things, and my old Xbox. So yeah. That's my other one. So let's go. And then this one, I think you have to look in this one. Yes, so I got some little teddy bears here. And then a really big bag here. You can see. And that's so cute. So that's what I had. Then I got some more folders and then some up here, and then in here I've got like some more teddy bears. Some I kind of love, so I keep them. So yeah, then down here I like this is my teddy bear, and then this and like that is my other one, and then here, and you can, there's just like, what should you call, like, other things, like a box, and I got my crafty things here, and then here I've got another little bag with red colours on top, and then, you see that there, that's my Barbie car, and then down here some of my